Oh my God. Okay. So you know how you sitting at home at 3 o'clock in the morning and all of a sudden Cindy Crawford comes on and it's like her family, her friends, and they're all like, I'm 500 years old, but I only look 80. This is one of those products. And y'all might be like, I would never buy something by Cindy Crawford, but let me tell you something. Cindy Crawford knows. I see her all the time in LA at Soho House in Malibu, and I'm looking at her and I'm like, I know how old you are, Cindy, and you have turned back the hands of time. And if it's good enough for Cindy, it's good enough for me. This is her line. It's Meaningful Beauty. And this is the product that I like the best out of Meaningful Beauty. And you can tell I use it because the jar is like all beat up. This is the Wrinkle Smoothing Capsule. So basically you twist this off, you put it on your fingers, you rub it about on your fingers, and then you smooth it all over your face. And it really does work. It literally smooths out your face and smooths out the wrinkles, and it also mats you out really nicely. You use it as you need it. So I've been using this for like 2 years. I would say I use them maybe like once or twice a month, like if I'm like going on a date, or if I'm like and I want to look like stay matte, or if I'm like on camera and I want to look really matte. That's when I use these. And I always have my Dopp kit with me when I'm on camera, so that's when I pull these out. And it's a great thing to put on before you put on your makeup, but it's a great thing to put on after your makeup is on and you begin to shine a little bit.